Prioritize state certification and ongoing training to show customers you are a competent and compliant pest control professional. Start with the mandatory state applicator certification and stay current on renewal requirements so your credentials never lapse. Supplement that with courses on integrated pest management and species-specific treatments so you can explain why you chose a method and what risks it reduces. Join local and national pest control associations to access workshops, field days, and peer-reviewed best practices that deepen technical knowledge and give you talking points customers respect. Attend hands-on training for new treatment technologies, including low-toxicity baits, targeted bait stations, and rodent exclusion techniques so you can offer safer, more effective options. Keep a continuing education plan and track credits annually. Many states require documented hours and clients notice when you publish a training log. Make certification and training visible by framing them on proposals, vehicle signage, and customer reports so prospects see evidence of ongoing competence. Common mistakes start with treating certification as a one-time event instead of a career habit, which undermines credibility. Fix that by building a repeating annual education schedule and allocating a fixed portion of revenue for training. Another issue is relying solely on chemical knowledge and neglecting inspection, prevention, and exclusion skills. Remedy this by practicing thorough inspections, documenting findings, and offering exclusion services as part of contracts. Finally, firms often fail to communicate their expertise clearly to customers. Remedy that by creating a short checklist or one page that explains licenses, recent courses, and why each matter to the homeowner, so conversations stay simple and trust grows. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home services, including pest control, helping us match needs with local providers. We host a discussion community where members and professionals exchange experiences, ask questions, and share recommendations.